Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable or support the RGB dynamic lighting on Windows 11. So if you're first time using Windows 11 and if this first time you use the RGB on your system, you can try to use the settings by click on Windows icon or Windows Start icon and go to the settings. Here you can try to search personalization. You can click it and search for dynamic lighting, connected devices, effect and application setting. Click it. So here you can turn on use dynamic lighting on my device, and of course you can turn on also compatible apps in the foreground always control lighting. Here background light control, let another app control lighting when an app or game isn't in use. Application have control in order to choose below here. Dynamic lighting background control, and you can set the brightness, and here the effect you can choose color theme and effect for your lighting. So feel free to try to use dynamic lighting on your device in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in the next video.